They are said to be the kings of comedy in Jamaica. IT and FancyCat, they've been serving up laughter for years. This morning, they join us, finally join us by Zoom.
Yes.
I think. Let's see. Let me bring up the shot just to make sure.
Hey.
Ah!
Hey, good morning. You see, because I'm so into the sanitizing, I keep my little bleach right here inside myself. I wipe and I spray, and I wipe and I spray and I wash. So it's right here.
Right, and you only use that bleach on your counter, right? Not on your face.
Well, I use it on the counter in the sink, whenever time I want, and on the stove.
Okay. Well, we're just happy to see you because I was listening to sound check. IT couldn't get up the phone. His daughter to help him. Fancy, I talk about why they never just tell me if you turn the phone sideways when I talk about screen rotation. So we know there were some challenges. So it's good to see you both. IT, morning.
A very good morning, Simone. So I'm completely prepared.
I'm sure you are. What are you doing, sir, exactly?
Well, I'm happy you asked because listen, I am cooking Ital Achillicious this morning.
Ital what? Ital what?
Ital Achillicious.
Ital Achillicious.
Yes, because my name is Ital. Was my first name, My mother told me I was called Ital, and then it morphed into IT.
You're an idiot.
You Achillicious.
Yes, okay. Well, we're going to talk you through that recipe because we want to see what you're preparing. Fancy, what are you cooking up in your fancy kitchen?
Well, it's a true. I never have the whole day thing for all the excitement for the Ichelicious or whatever. I just want to do some pancake with a few of the good morning egg and the jumbo franks.
Fancy. Fancy, that's...
And a Jamaican, nice.
But that's too easy.
Simple.
That's too easy for somebody with a name like Fancy. You have to be a fancy chef. Fancy, you have had a whole heap of clothes in your kitchen though. You not got hot?
No, you never had that, but a peacock and I don't want to look like I'm coming off door because I still have my pajama. You see?
Thank you for sharing that. All right, IT is suiting up, ladies and gentlemen, because this is a very serious mission that he's on. And what they're actually doing is preparing for a new series that they will be doing completely online. God, please work out the technology kinks for them. IT, tell me about this series, sir. Even as you cook, and please, as you cook, do not spit into the pot.
No, I am practicing. When I speak away from the food.
Good.
So I'm just going to show you. We have diced carrots right here. Also, we have diced pumpkin. I like to cook with color, so it's colorful. And then we have some green peppers here. Also, we have some mixed vegetables to go with it. And a clove of garlic.
Nice.
Also.
Nice. Good.
We have diced onions right here. And antioxidant in the form of tomatoes. See it here? Ready.
Wait, IT.
Yes.
What is an antioxidant?
Well, an antioxidant is really healthy for us and helps to destroy free radicals.
Oh, jeez.
Of course, I know. Send this very clearly. I want to notice that when I speak. I want to thank my co-chef, my chef assistants, that is Karen and Najali. They got up and they helped me prepare this morning.
Okay. Please start cooking. Fancy, what are your ingredients and what antioxidants do you have in your list of ingredients?
Yes, I was just I told her that he has the pumpkin donkeys and stuff like that. So, as I said earlier on, I had 2 little ripe bananas, which is good for the bowel. It's good for the bowel. Release the bowel.
Ripe bananas?
Yes.
Ripe
bananas.
Ripe banana with Frankfurter, sir?
Ripe banana with pancake mix.
Okay.
You have to twist it up in.
Okay.
So pour it with pancake mix on the banana.
Yes.
And with a little milk, Now you don't want to use the oil to have my grease, but I spray in the pan. Yes. And I get him going. You see what I'm saying? So
Yes.
I'm going to get the ball rolling now.
Yes. So how are you preparing the eggs?
I'm going to scramble them.
Okay.
Yes. So what I'm going to break them in the bowl and pour another little milk. And most people don't know that we're there. So pour a little milk and a little black pepper and a little salt.
Yes. Okay. And the
Yes.
franks, will they be diced or are you just cooking them whole? And are you
franks.
frying them or are you boiling them?
I'm just going down the middle.
You're just going to go down
Yes. I'm just going down the middle.
IT, please save us. Save us, IT, save us. IT,
Can you smell it? I've added the garlic, I've added the green pepper, and of course the onion. Can you smell it?
It's delicious.
I did.
The studio is filled with the aroma.
Can you see the colors?
No,
Did
I
I
cannot.
just smell my pancake?
We can't
That's
see
what I
your,
said?
we can't see your pot, Fancy. You have to show me the pot. Fancy, move your
What's in the pot?
Here's the
bleach.
pot.
Move your bleach
Let
buckle.
me pour in the pot because
Very
the pot's still
good.
empty.
Nice, IT. Nice. So Fancy, you have to take up your pot and show us. You have to bring it up to the phone. Move
All
your
right, now do the mixing now. Weird.
well, you have to move your bleach buckle, sir. Your bleach buckle is blocking the shot.
Oh.
Okay, thank you.
Here's the
IT,
colors.
IT, I'm very impressed by what you're doing there. Fantastic.
I'm the one of them things them keep up in.
Who is keeping up? What's the problem, Fancy?
Actually, my Wi-Fi helping.
So you don't have no help?
And also,
Yeah.
I have to boot. This is the COVID-19 immune booster. It has some diced papaya, melon, berries, and pineapple. When you drink this blended fruit, trust me, COVID-19 stay far away.
Please to mind people start to target you and sue you for false advertising. We know they do. Be very careful.
This morning is Comedy Friday, comedy cooking.
I love it. IT, tell me about your Laugh Online series, please, as you cook.
Well, it started last Saturday. It happened at 3 p.m. on ITL's IT page. Of course, on IT and FancyCat Facebook page. Trust me, all the comments, people join us laughing, enjoy themselves. And this Saturday at 3 p.m. it continues. And tomorrow, Saturday, it's going to be Kathy Tandele Grant. So you don't want to miss that because she's a teacher and a comedian.
So what do you guys do? What do you do in that series? Are you cooking or is it more than that? Or is it just comedy in the space?
Well, it's comedy, it's stand-up comedy, it's interviews, it's performances, it's interactivities, giveaways for those who are joining online. People can answer questions. It's completely interactive.
Yeah.
And it's live.
Yeah. And that's important, right, FancyCat? Because a lot of people are going through a lot of stress and they need to laugh now. So tell me a little bit about the response you guys got last Saturday when you started.
Oh my, it was good. When it ended at in an hour, people were saying it's too short. This is the first time we did a 1 hour show. We usually do a half hour, and they were saying it's too short. So I know that they were enjoying it.
Okay. Let me check in on your fellow chef. FancyCat, you're very quiet. I'm not sure that's a good sign when you're in the kitchen. What seems to be happening?
I was quiet because I want to make I to get his points across. You know?
Yes.
Because as you can see, I'm mixing here. I'm getting my mixture on. You know, look at the ripe banana, the anti-pancake mix. Yes, in my little...
Fancy, we've been talking for 6 minutes. You don't put nothing in the pot yet, Fancy?
What did what?
You don't put nothing in the pot yet, sir?
No, don't put anything. Why you say everything where I'm going?
Yeah, but the segment is going to end and you would have done nothing but mix the butter and show us your grease and your bleach.
All right, see there?
Put it in the pot.
Put it in the first one.
I'm using my flame now.
Yes, we soon come to you, IT. I want to see that Fancy can actually put his batter in the pot Have you put on the franks yet, Fancy?
Yeah, man, everything on, pan on, fire on. I'm just putting in the first batch right now for real.
Okay. IT, let's go back to you. IT, let me see where you reach.
Well, I reach here and my wife always tell me don't stir the ackee too much because she don't want it crushed.
Mash up.
So I'm trying to, but you see the color? You see the color?
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Good job. So have you always been a cookist, IT? Did you always know how to cook, or did you just sharpen up your skills for this segment this morning?
Well, actually, I've been learning since COVID-19 because my wife said her cooking alone cannot be in the house. I have to practice. I'm learning. I've been cooking some things too. So this morning is an experiment with the Achelicious, Ital Achelicious.
You come back with Achelicious. So who gonna eat it, IT?
Huh?
Who's gonna eat it when you're done?
Well, I have some people in the house here.
Yeah, what?
If now yes, and soon I'm going to deliver yours.
Oh, I'm gonna be busy today, you know.
You're going to be busy today?
Yeah, I'm not sure where I'll be whenever your delivery person is available. So let's just put a rain check on it.
Well, Simon, if you don't want the Ital Achelicious, then you can have the blended immune booster.
Yes, I will definitely have that. That's just the fruits blended, right?
Just the fruits blended, but you see, I put a special sprinkling of love in it.
Oh, definitely. I will take double. Send on that. I'm good with that. Perfect. Fancy, how you doing over there?
So I'm doing great as a contestant. That's how I'm gonna look right there.
Okay.
You see the color?
Oh,
You see the color? They're pretty and look beautiful. You can see the red and the green and the gold. You see the red from the top, the white inside. You know, good fire. This is what they call morning stuff.
Good cat, you know you're the top chef.
Yes, get them going.
boy, I'm not sure we're watching the same TV because I don't see the color that you're talking about, Fancy. But I'm gonna just work.
It's a fuck up. I clean it next time.
Okay. Okay. Guys, we have 1 minute and 22 seconds. I need to see a plate. I need for both of you to plate something, please, and show us your final product so we can have a look. Ladies and gentlemen, you can catch these two crazes on the Laugh Online series, IT Ellis's Instagram page, or IT and FancyCat's Facebook page. Happens every Saturday at 3 o'clock, and they will have Kathy Tandere Grant tomorrow, and they go for an hour. IT, have you plated? Yes.
The best part is it's free to people logging on via Facebook. It's free to people logging on via IG. It's IG at IT Ellis. That's ITY acronym. I thank you.
Oh, we thank you too. Can we see your plate now, sir?
Huh?
Where is your plate with your plated product?
I'm gonna plate it now.
Yes. We need to see a plate. Fancy, I need to see a plate from you as well with your final product.
Right.
Yes. So I remember when you're plating, you have to look at the portion and you have to make sure the colors show. Fancy, the same for you. Has to be done in style to show us that as chefs, you both did some research and you understand how this thing go. You can't just pleke and make things on the plate. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Someone is gonna eat this, so I don't want that to turn over.
Who is gonna eat?
Just give me a second because I'm adding the toast to it. It's toast. So the toast is coming up in a second.
We not have no second to toast. Heidi, put something them on the plate. Fancy, who is eating the food that you're preparing?
Yeah, see that? It's ready.
Who is eating it?
Yeah. Just the egg leaf for go on. This is what it look like, yeah? So it look beautiful. I just put the egg right there. So let's just say that's skull egg for the time being.
You almost do that. I don't know what it is, Dela. Fancy Dela is asking you what is in that plate. Can I see that plate again, sir?
It's toasted.
See that?
What is
my pancakes?
Oh my gosh. Whew. Well done, Fancy. Well done. It looks delicious.
That's right. And it tastes delicious too.
Looks great.
That plate is too crowded, IT. Your plate too crowded.
IT, let me see. IT, let me see your. Oh, IT, your plate is for a hungry person. That's for sure.
Yes.
But it's very appealing to the eyes. May I ask you to take a taste of it and just let us know how it tastes? Fancy, can you take a taste of your plate and let me know how your food tastes?
Oh, yeah. Taste some more?
Yes, taste it and let me see if you're still standing when the two are going to finish.
All right, because I know I have to tell you something. This is not new to me.
Yes.
Oh, Solomon, love you.
So Fancy, on a scale of 1 to 10, you'd rate that, huh?
Yeah, this is what we call a breakfast.
Simone,
This is not.
FancyCat.
Yes.
When I tasted the Ital Achilles,
Achilles, yes.
I feel like singing.
Yes.
Like Marley.
Yeah.
Say you gonna lively up, girl, say.
Okay.
And I say so.
Mind your choke, sir. Mind your choke. You can't sing and eat. You guys are hilarious. Thank you very much for lifting the spirits this morning. In the kitchen, not only are they dexterous comedians, but they're dexterous chefs. I mean, call them anytime to cook for you. I'm not so sure about Fancy. I look like he can probably do a little thing.
Yeah. Tell them about the recipe, them can call me.
Yes. Yes.
113.
1-1. Or is it 3-1-1? Pass it on.
Or 311.
Oh gosh, thanks you guys. God bless you both. IT, so it's tomorrow. It's at ITY, at IT Ellis on Instagram, and on the IT and FancyCat Facebook page tomorrow at 3 o'clock, right?
At 3
Yeah.
o'clock.
Okay,
So
see you
log
then.
on with your teeth or without your teeth?
Praise the Lord, brother.
I don't even know where to go with that one. Thank you, IT, and goodbye.
Yes.
Thank you, Fancy, IT
you,
Ellis,
Jimmy.
and Alton, Fancy Hardware. I cannot. From the kitchen to the dance floor, you think you laugh yet? When we come back, watch me and Dale. They threw down in the kitchen, we're going to throw down on the dance floor. Up next, you can stay, baby.